What if you can make $1 for every single click? What if you can learn the secret to turn that $1 per click into $40 in just one single click? You can literally make 40 times more money compared to other people by simply using a mobile phone or a computer. You don't need any different technical skills or experience. You don't need to create any videos or websites. You don't need any social media followers too. In fact, you don't even need any money to start with this, because this unique strategy is 100% free and it is available worldwide. In this video, I'll show you everything step by step, including on how to sign up for free and a lot of different real examples on how to do this. And if you stay with me until the end of this video, I'll even give away something really special to you. This is USA Videos and welcome to my channel, where I teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Be sure to subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so you stay updated whenever a new video is up. Also, please don't forget to smash a like button, and if you have any questions, concerns or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. Now let's get started. Now I want you to take a look at the earnings per click. Every single click you can earn now. If you watch this video all the way until the end, I'll show you how to turn this into $40, which means you can earn more money compared to other people. So make sure you don't miss out on this special secret. Step number 1, I want you to first go onto this website, which is moreniche.com. I'll leave the link right here on the screen. Basically, before you go onto this website, you have to watch this video because you will not know the secret on how to do this. So first, I want you to go ahead and click on this button right here on the top. You can see here brands. I want you to click on that, and from there, that's going to bring you to this page. You can see here, when you scroll down below, you can look for all different companies. For example, Black Wolf, Brutal Forest, Diet, Fat, Cold, and right here even Zotrim, which is a very famous company. Now that means you can literally go on and promote different companies for different opportunities, and you can earn a lot of commissions online. I want you to check this out. Zotrim affiliate program. You can earn up to $40 per sale, and that's what I promised you. I'll show you how to earn $40 per click, and for a lot of people, they're only able to earn $1 per click. So once again, in order to get to that page, all you have to do is to click onto this link. You can see here Zotrim, and from there, that's going to bring you to Zotrim affiliate program, where you can earn 40% sale. And in this video, I just want to show you one example using the Zotrim. So on this website, moreniche.com, you can find many different brands. For example, I want to show you so many different companies so that you can promote them and earn commission online. And right on this video, I'll show you an example using Zotrim, and you can repeat this strategy and apply that to any other company. So real quick, let me explain exactly how it works. For this particular flip program, you can join it for free and you can promote different products offered by Zotrim. You can see here on the Zotrim official website, they're giving a lot of different products. They're offering different solutions to help people to lose weight. You can see here for the different products and different packages that people can purchase and buy on this website. You can become the affiliate and promote all of these products, make sales and make commissions again and again. One of the reasons why I love to promote Zotrim is because they offer fast and free shipping worldwide. That means you're going to be getting a lot of sales and customers and conversion. You're going to have customers from different countries in the world, and most of them are likely to purchase these products because they offer very fast and free shipping in all countries. They're offering really high commissions too. The average order value is about $150 and they have 22.7 conversions now. This might sound a little bit confusing to you, but don't worry. The only thing that you're going to know is that this product is actually selling like hotcake. A lot of people buy them and they're selling a lot of products, and you could be the one to make commission for every single click. So moving on, let me show you the payment methods and the schedule. Basically, they do a bi-weekly payout, as you can see here first, and the 15th of every month, every single month, 2 times a month, they're going to pay you the money, and the payment method is actually bank transfer, Skrill and wire transfer. Now, if you want other payment options, for example, Paytm, PayPal, and so on, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know, and I'll try my best to help you to request for that. So basically, a lot of people, different affiliates from different countries in the world, they're making a really good amount of money to promote Zotrim. You can see here up to $60 $500 per year by simply promoting one single product. So if you want to start promoting Zotrim and start making commissions, all you gotta do is click onto this orange button, join more niches to start promoting Zotrim. From there, that's going to bring you to this page where you can create a brand new account. And once again, the registration is absolutely free. You don't need to invest any money at all. Now for the partner type, you're going to choose an affiliate because we are going to become an affiliate and earn commission. So from there, just type your first name and last name, your email address, and set up your own password. Read on to politics and the terms and conditions and agree to that. Then you can just click on this button to sign up for free. Now I'll show you exactly how you can earn and how you can make up to $40 per sale again and again on Zotrim. Now once you have signed up and you have gotten your affiliate link where you can earn commissions, you can now move on to step 2. I want you to go to this website, which is findaforum.net. Once you come over to this page, I want you to go and click onto this button on top, which is categories, and from here that's going to bring you to this page where you can find different forum categories in different niche for complete. For example, there's art, literature, health, shopping, e-commerce, music, and so on. In this video, if we try to promote Zotrim, which is a weight loss product, we are going to get attention, traffic, and people to click on our link. For every single click, we can earn $40 per sale on average. So all you have to do is to click on this link, which is dieting and weight loss. Just click on this and that's going to bring you to this page. As you can see here, we can find different forums. For example, 3 Fat Chicken on a Diet, and right here another forum, Active Low Carb Forum. Now you can see a whole list of entire forums that you can join, and you are going to be getting a lot of people to click on your link. You can see here there are thousands of topics and members on this forum. The strategy here is that you're going to join as many forums as possible. So let's just say if you want to join this forum, all you have to do is just click on this to visit the forum. Just click on the button, and from there that's going to bring you to the official forum. Now you can see here where people are discussing different topics. They're asking questions, giving answers, and weight loss, and this is the biggest opportunity for you. You can simply just join this forum and start posting something on those forums where you can do it without any experience as a complete beginner. Once again, if you keep on watching, I'll show you the entire copy and paste template that you can use. You can just copy my entire template, and whenever people click on your Zotrim affiliate link, you can earn money. And when they make a purchase about any products on this website, you are going to be making $40 right now. I want to show you different forums that you can join. For example, Active Low Carb forums with over 153,000 members. All you have to do is click on this button to visit the forum, and from there that's going to bring you to this page. Once again, they work very similarly and they're getting hundreds and thousands of visitors every single month. They're interested in this topic about weight loss. So let's just say if you want to sign up for a free account on this forum, all you have to do is click onto this link and see here, register by clicking here. It is free. Once again, they work very similarly on any other forum, and that's the coolest thing I like about findaforum.net, where they can literally find you hundreds and thousands of different forums in many different categories, and you can just simply join all of them. So right now, once you sign up for free account, the next thing is that you will need a post. You need a template where you can put something on the forum. Now that's why I want to show you the entire copy and paste template that I spent a lot of time to prepare. If you want to get your hands on this template, all you have to do is just like this video, smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. I will give you the script for free. You can see here, check out this natural weight loss solution. That's where you're going to plug your affiliate link. Now once you change all your affiliate links into this template, all you have to do is just highlight everything, just click on copy, and just go back to any other forum that you want to post them. You can just go on and repeat this strategy and post on different forums by using this copy and paste template. Once again, this is a proven strategy. A lot of people from different countries in the world are making money every single day with this method. I try my best to help my subscribers to earn their first commission online. So if you want to get your hands on the script, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave a comment down below. I'll send you a personal text to give you this script for free. I hope you will get your first commission with this soon. And that's it for today's video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have learned something today. This is USA videos and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.